Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made a half braids and half wave sew in. Okay, alright guys, I'm going out to part my hair into two sections. Okay, the back I'm going to do a sew in, and then the front I'm going to make a cute cornrow. Here I'm done sectioning all the parts, and I made sure it's clean, and then I'm going out to comb out the hair to remove all tangles and get it all tangled free. When I was done with that, I'll go on to start making a cornrow where I'll start sewing down my extensions. The tricks in making your own hair is just making use of mirrors. If you already know how to braid hair, if you already know how to make cornrows, or already know how to braid hair, all you need to do is just get mirrors. Use a mirror in front of you to connect to the one behind you, and you'll be able to do that. There is no magic. When people see the hairstyles I make, they call me witch, they call me a lot of names. Like it's none of those. Like I'm not any of those. It's just a talent. It's just a talent. All right, no two ways about that. All right, it's something that you can actually do if you put your mind. Some years back, I never knew I could make my hair myself. In fact, I never had any interest in making hair. I only go to salons to just sit down and make my hair. I like people doing my hair. But one day I came in contact with a woman that actually does her hair herself. And at first I was surprised, but then when I went to YouTube, I saw a lot of other people that can actually do their hair by themselves, especially those from the Western world. Because of how high braiding hair or making hair there is, a lot of women has put their time, their effort, and their strength in doing their hair themselves. And I'm gonna tell you, like, it is really worth it. Like, I know how much I save for myself in doing all of those things for myself. Okay, so, and it's something that you can actually do. There is no magic towards it. Like, there's nothing spiritual or anything diabolical about doing your hair yourself. Okay, and for the fact that I do my hair myself does not mean that I'm stingy. No, it's not. Okay, it's just something I grew to love doing, and ever since I started doing it, I can count how many times someone else did my hair. Like, I can count, like, it's just like one or two times, like, over 6 to 7 years now. Okay, so yeah, it's just something that you can as well do, and I promise you're gonna save a whole lot of money. And when people are crying that making hair is expensive, it's not gonna affect you. Like, you're gonna be making your hair back to back. Like, I carry my hair only for 2-3 weeks max. Like, the hairstyle I carry for 3 weeks is like braids, like good braids. Okay, but if it is all those cornrow, like all those simple hairstyles, I do them 1 week, 2 weeks, and I change my hair anytime I want to. Here I'm done making the cornrows. Okay, so I'll go on to use the crochet hook to crochet my hair, the one that is poking out underneath the others. Okay, so it will just lay flat, and after which I'll go on to sew down the extension. So this is the extension I'm gonna be using, okay, and then the attachment I'm gonna be using. All right, I had this extension for some time. I actually loosed it out from a wig. I don't want to wear it no more, and then I decided to use it to sew down on my head, okay. And then I tried looking for an attachment, that a braiding hair that would be exactly the same color. I was unable to get, but then I had to use the color that I have, which is black. All right, but then one thing I do, if you look at the braiding hair, okay, you can take the video back to look at the braiding hair. It's shiny. All right, so I just wanted to have same texture and same look with the extension that I'm using to sew down onto my head. Okay, so what I did was I had to dip it into hot water after I feathered it, feathered the end. So I dipped that into hot water and then allowed it to dry, and I sprayed oil sheen on it to make it shine more. Sewing your hair by yourself can be a bit stressful because you are making use of needles, and if you're not careful, it's going to be poking on your hands. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I actually had like one or few pokes of that needle on my hand, but yeah, it's still worth it at the end. So if you're new to making your hair yourself and you can't really sew the hair down by yourself, you can always get help. All right, you can get help. It's not bad getting help. Okay, so I'm done sewing down the extension and this is what it's looking like. All right, so I'll go on to unrolling the front part of it. Okay, so I had to stretch out my hair a little bit because I'm having undergrowths coming up from my head, so I just had to use a dryer and a comb to just stretch out my hair a little bit before I proceed to making the cornrows. And why is that? I only relax my hair 2 times in a year. I relax it December, which is a festive period, and then again I relax it June, which is my birthday. Yeah, so I relax my hair 2 times in the whole year. So I just had to speed up the process in making the cornrow in the front because I didn't really do anything serious. I just did like cornrows, going all the way back, with a little bit of slanting, but nothing too serious. Yeah. So guys, if you've stayed with me to this moment and you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification to get notified on any of my new uploads, and also comment beautiful stuff in the comment section. And guys, don't forget to also share this video to your friends and family to keep on supporting me. Thank you so much for doing that, and God bless you. Okay guys, so I went ahead to finish the rest of camera, and voila, this is how it's looking like. So beautiful. I went ahead to lay my edges, and then I'm going on to brush the extension so it will look smooth and neat. And guys, this is all done, looking so beautiful. And guys, there's so many beautiful styles I achieved with this hairstyle, and it's so amazing. Like, you can't wait to see that. It was so beautiful and I love it. Alright guys, this is it for this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe. I love you, but God loves you more. Peace.